How to add anchor links to WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can add anchor links to your WordPress website. So let's get started. What is anchor link? Anchor link actually helps you to customize your website. What happens is we add a link on one of the menus, and what happens is when somebody clicks on a particular area or they click on the menu, it takes them directly to that area where they want to go. For example, if we will add an anchor link for the pricing, they will simply click on the pricing and then they will simply be driven to the pricing plan on the website. So it's really good to help you with the navigation of your website. And when a customer or a visitor simply comes to your website, they find it really easy to get access to all of the features, and you are able to show them what your website and your business is all about. So that's what we are going to do today, how to add anchor links to your WordPress websites. So let's get started. First, what I will do is I will simply go to my website right here. I will click on visit site. You have to simply log into your WordPress, get to your dashboard and open your site, the site for which you want to add anchor links. So this is actually a sample site that I have created for the purpose of this video. So let's say this is your website and I have this section right here, which is our featured a photo image, right? So this is like a featured image. Now I want people to, when they will come to my website, I want them to check this out, and I want to add a feature right here in the header saying featured image, and then when they will click on it, they will land right here on this image. So to add an anchor link, let's start the process. First of all, you will click right here, edit site, and it will allow you to select a section of the website, and we will be able to get access to different settings. So now I can edit my website. I will simply scroll down and I am going to find the image that we have. So let's say that I want people to get access to right here the footer of the website. Let's go with this one. So you will actually select any section right here. This is actually a sample website, so I don't have any a lot of different features added. So let's actually add a feature and we can simply go with that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add, again, let's add gallery right here, and I will be able to then add an anchor link for the gallery. There you go. So I'm gonna drag it and drop it right here. So now we have gallery right here. I want people to check out the gallery for my website. So now I will simply click right here on these three dots, and this is the options. Click right here and it will open up the options. Right now I'm gonna click on show more settings. It will open up these settings for me. You will find the option advanced right here. Click. Now HTML anchor. This is where we will be creating our anchor HTML, and then I will add it to my WordPress navigation. Simply go ahead and enter a word or two without spaces to make a unique web address. So this is a gallery, so I'm gonna go with gallery. Make sure there are no spaces if it's more than one word. So I'm going to click right here on gallery. Then we can actually go ahead and add CSS as well. For example, this is the multiple classes with spaces. For example, I can go with, if it were more than one word, let's say it was a featured post, then I would have written featured post, right? Like this. But I'm going to go with this, the anchor. Now what I will do is I will simply go ahead and copy this HTML. There you go. You can also learn more about anchors from here. Simply click right here and it will actually give you more detail. So now I have my HTML anchor and I have copied it. So now I can actually go ahead and add this word right here, like gallery. I can add this word anywhere on my website and I will be able to link that word to this section right here. This is like amazing. But I want to link menu up the word. I will add this word to my menu so that people can simply click right here and then they will be driven to that part. That's what I am going to do. You can add this anchor HTML to anywhere on your website and it will drive that word. Whenever they will click on the word, it will drive them right here to the gallery where they will be able to check out the gallery section. So now I am going back to my dashboard of WordPress, and I will simply customize the pages and I will add my anchor link. So after you have saved that link and you have copied it, now we are at the dashboard. Simply go to pages right here. The pages will actually allow me to check out all the pages I have on my website. So we have a sample page. This is the page where I was. So I'm going to go ahead and click on view this page right here. I can actually view this, or I can quick edit. I can edit this right here. I'm going to go to quick edit. So from dashboard, I have actually opened my website again because the option has been changed. And we also get the option to edit our navigation from our, appearances, but we can also do it from the navigation right here. So on the website, we can add our, anchor link to our pages. So what I will do is I will click right here on this edit option, and then I am going to actually edit. Right here, this is the list view. I will be able to check out all the elements that I have added to my website. Then we have the navigation option right here, and in navigation we have page list. So this is where I will be able to edit the navigation for my website, and this is where I will be able to add the anchor link. So I will simply select the page list and it will open it up for me. So when you click on navigation, then you have to select the menu. So we have create new menu and manage menu. So I simply click right here. Then I'm going to go to show more settings. So when we come to settings right here on our navigation, simply scroll down, go to advanced settings right here, and then we have the HTML anchor. So in here, I can actually create my HTML anchor again for my website. And this is where I will be able to add that link right here to my menu that I have, created. So I will simply edit the header in any of these elements. Now I can simply select and then I can add that anchor link. So this is also another way to select your anchor, to create an anchor link, and then you will be able to add it to your website anywhere you want to. For example, I have added this footer anchor link. So let me actually show you. This is what I did before. Let's just close everything up. Simply go to home. Then we have header and we have footer. I will click on footer, and you can see right here, my website takes you to the footer of the website. Like this is how it works. You simply add I have added the HTML of footer right here, the anchor link. So now I simply click right here and it takes me to the footer of the website. There you go. So this is how you can also go ahead and add anchor links to your WordPress website for better navigation. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add anchor links to your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.